Okay, so this is the calf press machine. Essentially what we can do when we're on this one is, the first thing we need to look at for your calves is if we're in the right spot, we need to set it up correctly. So at the moment, if you can get more range from depth but you can't kind of go up, chances are it's in the wrong spot. So what you can do, if you pull this lever out, chances are you're probably too high. So for example, like I can't go up anywhere because I'm just too high. So bring this down so you can actually use it. Okay, now when I push up, I've got some range to do it. I see a lot of people doing this. It's just not a leg press, it's for your calves. So what you're gonna do, ball of your feet, and I'm gonna come down, come up. I don't lock my knees, semi-lock, soft knees. I come down, up. So it's like plantar and dorsal flexion. This is all I'm doing. Now if I change the direction of the way my toes are facing, it will work at different parts of my calf. So if I turn them in, it's like the same, work on the outside. If I turn them this way, works on the inside. If I go straight, it's a healthy balance.